Hello and welcome back to Center Stage at Miles, where we sit down and have conversations with super successful and cool alumni and find out about their journeys into the world of financing and accounts. Hi Veera.
Hi.
First of all, a very warm welcome to Center Stage at Miles.
Thank you.
Our audience would like to know a little bit about you.
I'm Veera Jain Bhalgat and I'm a chartered accountant as well as a certified public accountant. I was born and brought up in Mumbai and now I live in United States.
Alright, how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I will describe myself as someone who's fun-loving, patient and focused.
How did you end up pursuing CPA?
So as I said, I was a chartered accountant back in India. As I was moving to US, I wanted to pursue another degree and I thought that CPA would be the best option to go with.
Alright, and what made you choose Miles?
So I got recommendation from my friend to choose Miles, and as she had told me that the entire CPA journey would be really very smooth because Miles takes care of the registration process, the material and everything from the start. And that's what I experienced. So that was the reason why I went with Miles.
What has your journey been like with us?
My journey with Miles has been really very good. Even though I was in US and I couldn't attend live lectures, I got all the support I could need. Someone was always there to help me as soon as possible. So it was really very smooth and nice.
Okay, now very quickly, your top 3 tips and tricks for aspiring CPA candidates.
So just trust yourself, trust the material and just stay focused.
So, do you have anything planned professionally for the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I would like to see myself in a consulting firm, and yes, I would like to see myself in the top hierarchy as well.
Now that we know you better, let's do a quick round of word association. Miles Education.
Trust.
CPA.
Achieved.
Biggest challenge while pursuing your certificate?
Studying for one subject audit, otherwise the entire process is really great.
Varun Jain.
A great teacher.
Success.
Want more.
Favorite way to unwind?
Going for a drive or listening to music.
Favorite movie?
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Favorite dish?
Pizza.
Favorite beverage?
Coffee.
Season of the year?
Anything but cold.
Next up, we have some fun topic, quirky and some really interesting questions for you to answer.
Okay.
So this is from a purely fun standpoint, so give us your wildest opinions, alright? Okay. If you did not have to work for a single day in your life, what would you do?
Watch shows, just chill and travel.
If you could have a theme song in your life, what would it be?
The title track of Laksh.
You get all the funding you need to start your own business. So what would the business be?
My answer should have been a CPA firm, but then I would want to start my own pastry and get into baking. So.
Oh, you're a baker.
Yeah.
All right. Did you get pocket money in your childhood? And if you did, what did you do with it?
So I never got pocket money and I was the smallest one in my family. So whatever I asked for, I always got.
It was amazing talking to you and getting to know about your journey with Miles into becoming a CPA. Thank you so much for being here. It was so much fun talking to you.
Thank you so much.
Stay tuned for more episodes with awesome alumni and see you guys soon.